Hi, today I'm with me Doogee T20 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first open the settings application, then tap to network and internet, click to internet section, tap to Wi-Fi switcher to activate Wi-Fi. After that you'll see here all of the available networks. Just select one from the networks, for example this one. We can see that I just connected to this network. What we can do with this network, we could click to disconnect, share with the QR code of this network, or tap to forget the password. After that, just when you'll forget it, you will see this network here again, but now you should again here enter your password to connect to it. So for example, let's enter the password. To see the password, you should click here to the show checkbox, tap to OK. Now we can see here that our device successfully connected to this network. So to activate and turn off the Wi-Fi, you should use this switcher. After that, just you'll see all of the available networks, enter the password and tap to connect. After that, you'll see here also we get here one more way how we can do that. Just open the control panel first, click here to this Wi-Fi icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, and just to launch full Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.